Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Bumblebee and this is by Hotwheels. I bought it for 179, which is the MRP. So so there is a slight difference you can say between this one and the previous Bumblebee which they released. The main difference is being the paint job, and I think the rims also a bit different, the older one. So currently I don't have it here, in this area. I kept it in a collection box and kept it somewhere. I'm not sure where the older one is. So let me just review this and tell you how this one is. So out of the box, the casting looks really nice. Paint job is really nice, and especially the glittery golden paint job looks really awesome. But rest everything remains the same. So the Transformers logo has some kind of issue with the paint job, as you can see here. So last time when I did this unboxing, a lot of people pointed me out that I missed one major thing, which is this. You can see Bumblebee's face here. This one I missed out last time. So yeah, that is right. It is Bumblebee's face here. So the chassis is actually all chromed out, which I personally don't like. I'm not sure why does these things all the time. This is plastic, not metal, and the body is fully metal. So it has tail light details here, and it says Hot Wheels here. And so every time when we take this particular casting, you can see that I don't know whether this the inserts there which serves as a headlights here, but at least looks something different compared to not painting it out, or just leaving with a shitty paint job. So the rims looks really good. So I personally like this particular set of rims. In most of the cars, I think last year the Camaro custom camera came with this, which looked really awesome on that particular casting. Okay, let's do a roll test. Wow, it crossed, it went away out of the track. Okay, one more time. Okay, it has little wheel wobble on the rear wheels, but not much. You can see once again, very little. It's like very minute, and it's not even that noticeable. So there is a good improvement on these things, from Mattel's end. This is the third casting we did roll test, so far, which rolled really well. So I'm happy with that. Even though I'm not going to play with it, but I'm still happy that whoever is going to play with it, they're going to be happy with it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.